The sugarcane is being cut and filled into the tractors to be taken away for making sugar, and on the other end there are these ships or goats being deployed to clear the fields. I'm here and I will be installing this end-fed half-wave antenna for 20 meters. So there is a transformer inside. I think it's 49:1, but that's in there with a counterpoise. Usually I heard that they use a 0.05 lambda worth of counterpoise, and I also have wound an air choke, the coax cable, and this is the main element. So I will be attaching it here, and then it will slope down over there to the fence. Oh, it's very difficult to see the SW curve, but it is around 1.1 and it looks flat enough. So we are good to go. What I'm going to use today is IC718. This is the Lunaris G6 SWR power meter. I've made a video about this, a very nice one. And this is the 30 amperes power supply. So that's all really, nothing fancy. So the left hand side is the VHF UHF side, and the right hand side is the HF side. So the antenna will go there for HF, and the radio will be connected at the TX. That's it really, and 13.8 volt DC supply which will be connected to this power supply. So let me just connect and we will resume.
Fine, it's in good contact with YSU and you, and very nice. I think I heard Anirudh, VU3 SML, please come in. VU2 RPI with the big group, over.
Victor Uniform 2 Romeo Bravo India and the group. This is Victor Uniform 3 Foxtrot Mike Lima, copying you 59 into Y, that's Whiskey Alpha India near Mahabaleshwar. How do you copy me? Back to you. VU2 RBI, VU3 FML.
Yeah, 59, beautiful signals. The first time I'm getting a very loud and clear from you, Anirudh, over.
Okay, Roger.
Are you using QRPA or commercial set, over?
I'm using IC718, that's ICOM IC718, putting out about 90 whiskey with end-fed half-wave antenna on 20 meters. Over to you.
Okay, fine. So, what is the exact location right now? Mahabaleshwaram?
Yeah, it is at the foothills of Mahabaleshwar, place called Y.
Okay, fine, Anirudh. When are you coming back?
I'll be here for 3 days because it's a long weekend, and so I'll be operating all the 3 days from here. So I have a couple of antennas over here. One is end-fed half-wave and another is a horizontal dipole, which is portable. So I will be operating those two.
V3 Foxtrot Mike Lima, please take it up, and you can pass it on to V2 Papa Juliet Mike, and then Bravo Tango Papa RBA RZA.
Okay, Roger. One more station left for signal report. I'm copying VU3 Bravo Tango Papa 59. If he's around and can give me my report, please. Take it up, please. VU3 Bravo Tango Papa. This is VU3 FML.
Roger. VU3 Foxtrot White Lima with VU3 Bravo Tango Papa. Pleasant good evening. Yes, I'm also copying you about 5 and 8. 58 is the report. I think you're operating from Pune. So you're coming 5 and 8 at my end. VU3 Foxtrot White Lima with VU3 Bravo Tango Papa. Over.
Roger. VU3 Bravo Tango Papa, VU3 Foxtrot Mike Lima. Yes, originally I'm from Pune, but I'm operating mobile right now, 100 kilometers from Pune, near to Papa Juliet Mike, VU3 Foxtrot Mike Lima.
Okay, VU3 Foxtrot Mike Lima, VU2 Papa Juliet Mike. You are coming 5-9, very good signal, very good audio. And Papa, I forgot about that, he is also coming 5-9. But this
Central, I'll pass microphone back to you. And yeah, it's great to hear people when I'm traveling to different regions of the world, so it's always a pleasure. Yeah, by the way, my working conditions is the Hermes Light 2. I'm not sure if you are familiar with the Hermes Light 2. It's like a QRP radio that gives about 5 watts. It's an SDR open source. So it's an open source radio. It's very cheap. It's absolutely insanely cheap. It's about $360 for the radio, shipped to your doorstep. And it works absolutely insanely well. It's open source hardware and software. And then I have 2 amplifiers in line, got the Micro PA50 and the HLA 300 HP Plus, which is from RMA Italy, giving me more or less about 400 watts on the wire antenna here. So yeah, to pull a small, tiny little fish rod cable over the palm tree, and then I had to pull the other cable over it, and it worked. So I'm happy with that. But in the future, I want to have a